So we've learned about how to attach animate CSS to our projects. We've also learned about how to start animating different objects, whether it be a div tag or whether it be an image file or any other type of object that's on the stage. And now we're going to learn about how to loop your animations. So looping is essentially just running the animation over and over and over. And it's pretty simple to do inside of the HTML file. Now there's other ways that you can run the animation for a certain number of times. We'll talk about those in the different settings that we are going to cover in future sections. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to actually go in and loop your animation. And it's pretty easy just by adding a simple class to your different objects. So I'm going to come in here, and this is the sample project that I've been working with. In the end of the last video, I basically gave you the task to go in and animate every single column here. And I've done that. You can see that I have a shake, I have kind of a bounce up as well, and then I have something kind of fading out and twisting out as well. So that's what I've done so far, and let's go ahead and take a look at the code here. So I'm in the code. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. And you can see that we have a shake for the second object, we have a ta-da for the third object, and then we have a flip out X for the fourth object. And so all of these are going to go in and animate in different ways, essentially. So if you want to have something kind of infinitely, just go ahead and start looping over and over and over. It's done by simply just coming in here and adding a class to one of those objects. So you have to have the animated class, you have to have some animation. So in this case, the animation is shake, and I have those two things, but I need to add one more class, and that is the class of infinite. So that means that it's going to infinitely loop over and over and over. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like once I come in and preview it. Okay, so we're back in our Safari here. I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh. And you'll notice that the shake just starts to loop over and over and over. It'll slow down like the shake normally does, but it doesn't stop. It'll start shaking again over and over. Now, I can then call in and I can remove that class if I want to, but we have to do that through jQuery. We'll learn about how to do that in a later section, but for now, that's at least how you go in and apply a loop animation to have something go over and over if needed.